Hey friends, welcome. I'm so happy to see you here. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years and I've been selling on Poshmark for a few years as well. Let me address right away the title of this video, which is I am no longer sharing my Poshmark closet. In fact, I refuse to continue sharing my Poshmark closet, so let me explain. I am a part-time reseller. I have multiple businesses. I'm self-employed. I also have a son who's 10 years old in elementary school. So I am an extremely busy reseller, as I imagine you are too. And on Poshmark, to stay competitive on the platform and make sales, you need to share your closet multiple times a day. And I have tried to do it manually myself by clicking share on the hundreds of items that I have listed over there. And to be honest with you guys, it just makes me aggravated. But I love Poshmark. I love the platform. I love the community. I make great sales over there. So I want to continue to sell on Poshmark. So what I am doing is automating sharing using Primelister. As you will learn in this video about Primelister, automating sharing is just one of the many things Primelister can help me with as a reseller. So what's my plan for the video? In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what Primelister is, how it works, why I use it. But I'm not going to do a step-by-step tutorial because I already have that video from a few months back. I made a video for beginners explaining how to install Primelister, what it is, and all the many things that it does. I take you on my computer and I really do a step-by-step tutorial all about Primelister. So if you want to see the nitty-gritty, how it works and how it looks, make sure to check out that other video that I've already made on the channel. I'll link it in the description section of this video. In fact, all the helpful links about Primelister will be in the description section of this video. In this video, what I want to do is a little review, of course, of what Primelister does and all the reasons to use it. But I want to highlight some of the brand new features that Primelister has that weren't available when I made that first video. For example, Instagram is here. Okay, so in case you haven't seen my first tutorial video on Primelister, let me just give you the mini skinny of what exactly it is, just to get us started. So what is Primelister? It is a Chrome extension. It's software that you easily upload onto your computer using Chrome. And it has two main components. One is cross-posting and the other is Poshmark automation. So all the tasks that you do on Poshmark, such as sharing, offers to likers, deleting and relisting, you can use Poshmark Animation Service for that. For all the tasks that you're already doing manually that take a lot of time on Poshmark, you can use this tool for all those things. It also has cross-posting. So it's the only software that I know of right now that has both Poshmark automation and cross-posting. So you get it kind of all in one. Why should you do this? Because it saves you so much time, friends. You're already doing a lot of these tasks manually and this automates them. And you can schedule these tasks. So you don't have to be sitting at your computer all the time. You can schedule when you want to send out offers to likers, for instance, or when you want to share. In this business, we all know time is money, friends. It's like if you're spending all your time sharing or sending out manually offers to likers, that's time that you're not listing. You need that time so that you can list, because when you list more, you make more sales and you make more money. So I think it just makes our daily tasks that we have to manage easier by automating them. Let's start off with the question we kind of get right away, which is it safe to use Primelister for Poshmark tasks? The answer to that is yes. Primelister says they have a no ban risk because it actually works the way it's designed. The software works like a human being on a computer. Yes, it solves the CAPTCHAs. I've never had any problem and I've been using Primelister for months. Another reason why I think that Primelister is safe for your accounts is that unlike other software or Chrome extensions, they never ask for your password or your login information. Primelister works after you've already signed and logged in. And also, I just want to highlight that they've got really amazing customer service, and that helps me feel more secure. So if you have a question or any kind of issue, they respond within 24 hours, and they've always been really accessible for me. Let me just give you a very brief, quick look at how Primelister works in my Poshmark and on my eBay. And then if you want more detailed information on that, be sure to check out my original tutorial video. Friends, here I am on my Poshmark closet, and look at all the things that Primelister can do here. I can cross-list, relist, delist, import, duplicate, and delete. And then when I go over here to the Poshmark Assistant, you can see that I can share to followers, follow people, auto list, share to parties, unfollow people, and send bulk offers. I also want to point out that I can schedule these tasks, and I can also set the speed of these tasks. Okay, let's head over to eBay and check out all the marketplaces Primelister's now working with, including Depop and Instagram. So for example, if I wanted to cross-post this Lucky brand top, I could just click cross-post here. And then again, notice that I can cross-post to Mercari, Poshmark, Facebook, Etsy, Depop, and Instagram. So again, this is just a mini glimpse at Primelister. Check out my other video for more detail. What I'm most excited about is that Primelister now has Instagram. So you can cross-post your items from eBay or Poshmark or whatever platform you're on over to Instagram. I am super excited about this. I've been wanting to figure out a way to sell on Instagram. I think that there's a huge opportunity for resellers to utilize Instagram to grow their business. Let's take a look at how simple it is to cross-post an item from Poshmark and make it as a post in your feed so that you can sell over on Instagram. I think this part's really exciting.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Okay, so now that you've seen many of the things that Primelister does, I'm sure you're excited to try it out. They do offer a free 7-day trial. And then if you choose to sign up after that, you can use my link, which is in the description, to get 30% off. I do want to be honest with you guys and tell you that I am an affiliate for the company. What does an affiliate mean? It means I refer friends using my link and I earn credit money with them. You could do that too if you're interested in becoming an affiliate. I think it's a really great, generous program. So definitely use the links in my description to reach out to Primelister if you're interested in becoming an affiliate. It's another great stream of income for you. It's a win-win because the person using your link gets 30% off, so they're super excited, and then you earn 30%. So it's another stream of income that you could add to your reselling business. If you have questions about that, feel free to ask me, and feel free to reach out to Primelister about that. after you've tried your 7 days and you're ready to sign up, just know that there's different options. There's actually 3 different options that Primelister has for plans. So you can pick and choose what you want to do. You could choose to just use the Poshmark automation, the Poshmark Assistant program, or you could add cross-posting as well, and you could do either a basic cross-posting plan or a pro plan, and you can choose whether you want to do it monthly or annually. So there's a lot of different choices. I just want you to be aware that you can use Primelister in the way that works best for you and your particular business at this particular time. I know that's a lot of information, but I really encourage you to go over to Primelister, try the 7-day free trial, and learn about how it works. They have a ton of helpful tools to teach you how it works, and I have that other step-by-step tutorial video, and it's divided in chapters. So if you want to look at, I'm on Poshmark, how do I cross-post something to eBay? That's right in my video. So you could kind of use my video, my first tutorial video, as a companion along with your 7-day free trial. And then make sure to come back here and use my link. By clicking on it, you'll get 30% off when you decide to sign up for one of these plans. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and Primelister will be in the comments too, answering things. I'm happy to help in any way that I possibly can. I think this is an amazing tool that has helped me save time, and it helped me be less frustrated managing all these tasks. I can make more sales, especially with cross-posting, you guys. It's just really been a game changer. And ultimately I make more money. So I think it's a really fantastic tool, but I want you to check everything out for yourself and see what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!